To change SIM pin on the Realme C71, first of all, you will have to go for the settings. From here, scroll down and go for the security and privacy, and from here scroll all the way down and go for the more security and privacy. Now we have to scroll all the way down again and you will be able to find SIM card lock. Let's go in here and first of all, like if you're having this SIM pin disabled, you'll have to enable it first to actually change the SIM pin, but if you're having this one enabled, oh, I don't remember the pin. I remember the pin, alright. So if you're having this one enabled, to change the SIM pin you'll have to insert first the old SIM, which you can find on the in the documents of your SIM by your provider or something like this. Insert this old SIM pin, press OK, and now we can enter the new SIM pin. So let's insert this one here. Now we have to confirm it, and alright, press OK, and as you can see the SIM pin has been changed, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can use it. Very simple. The hardest part is to, like, in case if you forgot your SIM pin, is to find it, and that might be actually tricky, but overall this whole process is pretty simple.